Are you currently a CEO of a company, or do you wish to be a CEO of a company? Or do you feel that you're a CEO of your family? Well, I have news for you. Maybe you are not aware, maybe you already are, but I believe all of us are also CEOs of our lives, regardless whatever position or job you hold or not. You're always CEO of your own life. As a high performance coach, an executive and personal coach, I use a tool, there is life coaching tool, which has become one of my favorite tools that I use with clients, and they see what kind of difference it can make when they use it regularly, especially with those clients that I've used this tool with for over 2-3 years. They now see the shifts and differences in their lives as a result. I created a 2021 updated form Wheel of Life tool, and I am inviting you to go to the link below in the comments, and I invite you to download it for free as a gift from me. Feel free to use it any way you like. Edit the categories in your life or even in your business. Some of my clients added decluttering as one of the categories. I have systems and administration and getting organized as one of my other areas in my wheel of life that I want to focus on this year, on really creating systems in my personal and business life, or let's say updating them. I have some systems, but I feel there's a need for update now. So I really invite you to have a look. It's this tool is, as I've mentioned, a life coaching tool that is looking at all the different areas of our lives. And as a CEO, that they do quarterly or even monthly reviews of how the company is doing, how there is the well-being of the company shown in the reports. So if you like reports, if you like to, you could be even creative and use colors and draw it. You don't have to even download it. You can just Google Wheel of Life. But I encourage you to actually do this exercise. Take a moment to yourself. You probably are giving so much of your time and attention to everybody and everything else. I invite you to take some time to yourself and either download my tool or use your own or look it up online how to do the Wheel of Life, and really pause and reflect on how satisfied you are in each and every area of your life, in the area that matters the most to you. In the next video, I'm going to share a little bit more about different categories that I suggest that you at least have a look. And I would love to hear from you if you already done the exercise, if you've done it even for many years, and how it's been for you. I believe that this tool is one of the keys to a true sustainable success, because all the areas are interrelated and impact each other. More about this next time. For now, once again, the link is below, and I would love to hear from you how it was for you if you did the exercise. Talk to you later.